coming up to Drake Falls, 27-foot elevation. And let's go take a look. The world famous Drake Falls. 27-foot drop to the bottom to Beautiful Creek. I believe this is still North Fork Silver Creek. Double check my map.